Hi, in front of me I have LENOVO Tab 2 A10-30 and I'm gonna show you how to enable the camera timer on this device. First we need to open the camera app. To do it, tap on this icon right here. In the camera app, tap on the settings icon right here. Select countdown timer. And here we can select one of the options. We have quite few. 1 second, 2 seconds, 3 seconds, 4 seconds, 5 seconds, 10 seconds, 15 seconds, 20 seconds, 30 seconds, and 60 seconds. I'm gonna select 10 seconds, then go back. And now when I press the shutter button to take the picture, the countdown will start, and after it's done, it's gonna take the picture automatically. Like this. And that's how you set up the camera timer on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.